In this short session, I'll quickly go over how to set up the gauge for GIF export. Start by either deleting or hiding the numbers, covers, and percentage sign using the selection pane. Now, this slide is ready to export as a GIF. I won't go over the export process again, since we've already covered that in a previous session. Just follow the same steps you learned earlier. Duplicate the slide and change the background to white. Next, select the dial marks in the selection pane and change their fill color to brown. Since there's also a glow effect applied, we need to update that too. Head into the formatting pane, click on Effects, and under Glow, change the glow color to brown as well. After that, select the dial arrow and center dot, and change their fill colors to brown too. Now, the entire gauge should match the new background. You just need to export both slides as GIFs one by one using the export method we covered in earlier sessions. With that, we've successfully created our third set of GIFs. In the next session, we'll dive into creating the fourth set. See you there.